I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing your session. Save files and shut down, then unplug external monitors and docks. Once done, make sure you have an administrator account and any BIOS password available. This prevents lockouts. You will also note the current GPU driver version for rollback. Now power on and press the Lenovo button or F2 during boot to enter the BIOS/UEFI menu. Use the keyboard to navigate because mouse input may not work in firmware. You navigate to Config or Advanced, then the Graphics or Display subsection because that's where GPU options reside. Next, change the graphics device setting from discrete to integrated, UMA, or auto depending on firmware wording. This tells the system to stop initializing the dedicated GPU. After selecting integrated graphics, save the changes with F10 and confirm. The machine will reboot. Watch post messages to ensure it initializes the iGPU without errors, and only then continue to system boot. You should boot into the operating system and verify the display is driven by the integrated GPU. Once confirmed, open Device Manager or Programs and remove discrete GPU drivers to avoid conflicts, and then install the latest iGPU driver from Lenovo support if required. Make sure power settings are normal and test graphics tasks. If the screen is blank or the system fails to post, perform a BIOS reset using the Lenovo recovery pin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.